everyone, Tani here with a quick tutorial on how to post a new project to the decorandDesignstudio.com. You'll need two things to get started: a picture of the room you want designed and a layout of your room created on homestyler.com. When you have those two things and you're logged into the site, navigate up to this gray bar and click New. Now, the Decor and Design Studio is basically a community blog, and they use WordPress as their platform. If you're not familiar with WordPress, there's a lot of information on this page you're not going to need to worry about. What we're going to be doing is loading and filling out a template that's been designed for us by the administrator. On the right-hand side, in this first gray box, you'll find your template. Select New Project and Load Template. In the Post area, there are two tabs, Visual and Text. You want to make sure that the Visual tab is selected. We're going to customize this post by changing the title, the heading, and adding some information like our budget and things we do and don't like about the room. We'll change this bold text here to the image URL. To get the URL, go to Add Media. Now I've already uploaded my two images. If you haven't uploaded your image, select Upload Files and select Files to find where the image is stored on your computer. I'm going to select this image, and my attachment details will show on the right-hand side. This is your URL. Highlight it by double-clicking and selecting Copy. While I'm over here and my media's image, I'm going to select this and set a feature image. Okay, let's highlight and delete this text. Be careful that when you're doing this, you don't accidentally delete your quotation marks. That will mess up the format of your post. I'm going to go ahead and pause and fill out the rest of the information for this post. Okay, I filled out the information on my post, and now we're going to add the link to the layout. I'm going to highlight this, click here. And right here, you'll see that we need a URL. I'm going to go over to the room that I've created on homestyler.com. And you can see I've created a room that shows the square footage, windows, room openings, things like that. On the left-hand side, I'll click Save. And it will give me a link to the design. I'll just go ahead and click the Copy URL, come back over to my post, and paste it. Next, I want to add the other image to my room. I'll delete this bottom line here, go up to Add Media, and select the other room. On my attachment details, I'm going to scroll down and make sure that the size I'm submitting is a medium. The last thing we have to do before we publish is select a category. Now, if you don't select a category for your open project, your project isn't going to show in the search results. Okay, now we can go ahead and publish. At this point, I like to view my post and make sure that the formatting is correct and that the links I've added work. And this looks great. The only thing I have left to do is check my link, which sends me over to my layout. So everything is perfect on this post and it is ready to go for the community.